Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bubble wrap is probably one of the most versatile and satisfying packing materials available, offering a unique combination of protection and tactile amusement that has made it a staple in households and businesses alike for decades. Whether you're safeguarding fragile heirlooms during a move, sending a precious gift to a loved one, or simply indulging in the simple pleasure of popping those air-filled pockets, this ubiquitous product plays a surprisingly significant role in our daily lives, providing peace of mind and a touch of fun. Number 5. Duck Brand Small Bubble Cushioning Wrap. Introducing our Small Bubble Cushioning Wrap. Its compact bubbles provide excellent conformability, making it perfect for safeguarding delicate and valuable items. Utilize this wrap to fill empty spaces in your boxes. It adds instant padding, ensuring your fragile items are well protected during transit. This cushioning wrap is incredibly lightweight. It won't add unnecessary weight to your packages, making shipping more efficient. Feel confident knowing our packing materials are proudly made in America. We use high-quality US and global materials for durability. Tearing off the perfect amount is simple with perforations every 12 inches. Wrap your items individually for maximum protection. Our packing bubbles are built to last. They are durable enough to withstand multiple moves, offering reusable protective packaging. What we like? This option features small bubbles that can form easily around delicate items. If you are packing many oddly shaped or very fragile items, this offers excellent flexibility. If you prioritize a snug fit for maximum protection, you should consider this. What people say. It is a good size for small items. The bubbles are a good size and pop easily. It is easy to cut and wrap around items. Number 4. Amazon Basics Bubble Cushioning Wrap. Introducing our heavy-duty bubble cushioning wrap, designed for superior protection. It's perfect for safeguarding your fragile and valuable items during any move or shipment. Featuring large, 5/16-inch air-filled bubbles, this wrap provides ample cushioning. These generous bubbles absorb shocks and impacts, ensuring maximum safety for your belongings. Tearing off the exact amount you need is simple thanks to the convenient perforations every 12 inches. This makes packing and wrapping quick and efficient. Whether you're moving, shipping, or storing, this wrap is your go-to solution. It's especially ideal for protecting fragile, heavy, or uniquely shaped items from damage. This versatile cushioning material is suitable for both home and business use. Its durable design ensures your items remain protected against breakage, dents, and dings. You get a generous 12-inch by 100-foot roll of protective material. This ample supply ensures you have enough for all your packing and shipping needs. What we like? This choice offers large, heavy-duty bubbles for robust protection. If you are shipping or storing heavy, fragile, or awkwardly shaped items, this provides superior cushioning. If you need to ensure items arrive without dents or dings, you should consider this. What people say. The bubble wrap is of good quality and provides excellent cushioning for fragile items. The medium-sized bubbles are perfect for protecting electronics and glassware during shipping. It's easy to cut and tear, making it convenient for various packaging needs. Number 3. Amazon Basics Bubble Cushioning Wrap. Moving, shipping, or storing. Ensure your items arrive safely. This wrap provides the protection you need for peace of mind. It offers consistent coverage and enhanced protection against breakage, dents, and dings. It's ideal for fragile, heavy, or oddly shaped items. Made from clear polyethylene, it features large, air-filled bubbles all over. These bubbles provide superior cushioning for your belongings. The material is perforated every 12 inches, making it easy to tear off the exact amount you need. No more struggling with large rolls. This roll provides ample material for all your packing needs. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year limited warranty for your assurance. What we like? This product provides consistent coverage with medium-sized bubbles for enhanced protection. If you need reliable cushioning for a variety of items, whether for home or business, this is a solid choice. If you value a product backed by a warranty, you should consider this. What people say. The bubble wrap is of good quality and provides excellent cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to cut and wrap around objects of various shapes and sizes. The bubbles are evenly distributed and maintain their air for effective protection during shipping. Number 2. Office Depot Air Bubble Packing Material Roll. Ensure your customers receive their orders in perfect condition every time. Our bubble wrap provides essential cushioning for all your shipping needs. This thick bubble roll is designed to protect and secure your valuable items. Prevent breakage and damage during transit with ease. Designed for convenience, it's perforated for easy tearing. Simply use the amount you need for each package. Ideal for a wide range of uses, including shipping, mailing, and storage. It's the perfect solution for safeguarding your goods. With a 3/16-inch thickness, it offers superior cushion protection. Your items will be well protected during their journey. What we like. This option is a thick bubble roll offering substantial cushioning. If you have a large volume of items to pack or frequently ship valuable goods, the extended length and thickness provide great value. If you are looking for a cost-effective, high-protection solution for frequent use, you should consider this. What people say. The bubble wrap is of good quality and provides excellent cushioning for fragile items. The medium-sized bubbles are perfect for protecting electronics and glassware during shipping. This bubble wrap is durable and tear-resistant, ensuring items stay protected throughout transit. Number 1. Sealed Air Bubble Wrap by American Bubble Boy. Introducing the medium bubble wrap from American Bubble Boy. It's designed to provide superior cushioning and protection for all your fragile items during transit or storage. Crafted with high-quality materials, this bubble wrap offers robust protection against bumps and impacts. You can trust it to keep your belongings safe and secure. This 360-foot roll ensures you have plenty of material for all your packing needs. The 5/16-inch bubbles provide ample cushioning without being overly bulky. Unroll and cut to size with ease. Its flexibility allows it to conform to various shapes, making the packing process quick and efficient. Whether you're moving homes or shipping packages, this bubble wrap is an essential tool. It safeguards everything from glassware to electronics. Choose the official Sealed Air Bubble Wrap for peace of mind. It's a reliable solution trusted by professionals and individuals alike. What we like. This is a medium bubble wrap with a very generous 360-foot length. If you are undertaking a large move or have extensive shipping needs, this roll offers exceptional quantity and reliable protection. If you prefer products made in America and need a large supply, you should consider this. What people say. The bubble wrap is effective for protecting fragile items during shipping. It provides good cushioning and absorbs shock well, preventing damage to contents. The medium-sized bubbles offer a balance between protection and material usage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.